see them. Have it again, boys. Have it again now. Look at here. What are we doing? Choice them?
No, let's
Buying them by the piece. Got a little planer here, boys. Have it again now. $10 and go. 10 to the bid, 15. 10 to the bid, now 15. 10 to the bid, now 15. Now 20, now 20, now 20, now 20, now 2. 22, now 5. 27, now 7, now 7, now 30, now 30, now 30. 27 to the bid, and 30, now 2. 32, 5. 37, now 7, now 40, now 42. 42, 5. 47, now 7, now 50, now 50. 47, 50. $47, 212, 212. Hey, we're gonna hand you this stuff out of here, guys, so we have room. Holders sat there, 20 and go, 20 to the bid, 20 to the bid, 20 to the bid, 20 to the bid, $10 and go, 10 to the bid, 10 to the bid, 5, 5 to the bid, 5 to the bid, 7, 5 to the bid, 7, 10, 10, 10, 12, 12 to the bid, 15, now 15, now 15, 17, now 17, now 17, now 17, 15, 17, now 20, now 20 to the bid, 20, $17 way in the back there, 157. Buying this fuller set. 20 and go, 20 to the bid, now 20, now 5, 20 to the bid, now 5. It's a petty box. Now 30, now 35, now 40, now 5, now 50, now 5. 50 to the bid and 5, 50 to the bid and 5. 55, $50, 160, 160. It's not the latest.
No, I know.
Choice on these 3 trays of books. Choice of them 3 trays there. How to run a lathe, machinery, handbook, everything there. Choice. 1, 2, or 3. 20 and go. 20 to the bid, now 20 to the bid, 20 to the bid, $10 and go. 10 to the bid, 10 to the bid, 10, 12, 10 to the bid, 12, 10 to the bid, now 12, now 15, now 17, now 17, now 20. Now 2, 20 to the bid and 2. Now 5, now 7, 27, now 30, now 2, 32, 30 to the bid and 2, 30 to the bid and 2, 30 to the bid and 2. $30. What's your number? 185. What would you like?
What is it?
Anyone else? $10 to go. One time. $10 to go. 10 to the bid, 5. 5 to the bid, 7. Now 7. Now 7. Now 10. 10. 12. 12. 15. 17. 17. 15. 17. $15. 152. How many times? What's this one? Pass that one down there. Buy that one, $5 and go. 5 to the bid, 2 to the bid, 10 to the bid, dollar bill. Dollar 2, dollar to bid and 2, dollar to bid and 2. Dollar bill. 236. Find that little trade lot there. $10 and go. 10 to the bid, 10 to the bid, 5. 5 to the bid, 5 to the bid, $2 and go. 2 to the bid, 2 to the bid, 2 to the bid, 2 to the bid, dollar and go. Get on the horn right with it.
What's the horn with it?
$10 and go, 10 to the bid, 5, 5 to the bid, 7, 5 to the bid, 7, 5 to the bid, now 7, now 7, now 7, now 7, now 10, 10, 12, 10, 12, 15, now 15, 17, now 17, now 17, now 20, now 22, now 5, 25, 22, 5, 22 to the bid and 5, $22, 183, 183.
Either the Offenhauser or the Edelbrock. One or two.
1 or 2, boys.
Big flathead V8 intakes.
Have it again, boys. Have it again now. 100 and go. 100 to bid now. 100 to bid now. 100 to bid and 50. 50 to the bid 60. 50 to the bid now 60. 50 to the bid now 60. Now 60. Now 60. Now 70. Now 70. Now 80. 80. 80. 90. 90. 90. 90. 100 to bid and 10. 110. 120. 130. 130 to the bid and 40. 140. 150.
Haven't bought a carburetor yet.
160. 170. 170. 170. 170. 180. 180. 170. 80. 170 to the bid now 80. 190. 200. 210. 200, 210, 200 to bid and 210, 210, $200.
Taking the Offenhauser.
We still got the Edelbrock.
Edelbrock's left.
I didn't see his number.
145. 100 and go. 100 to bid and 10, 100 to bid and 110, 120, 130, 130, 140, 140, 150, 150, 160, 160, 170, 160, 70, 160 to the bid, 170, $160 in the back there, 198, 198.
Quarter cable and the
You're getting circular saw and a little impact there. $10 and go. 10, 15, 10 to the bid and 12, 10 to the bid and 12, 10 to the bid and 12, 10, 12, 10, 12, $10 straight ahead, 152. I'm gonna scoot on around here.
Yeah.
There you go. Let me on through here, guys. You want to see this stuff sold? They can make room.
we are a little tight today, you know.
It's tight.
I want to sit down.
You always got something to say, Keith. Buying that stack of wheel and tire there. $10 and go. 10 to the bid, 10 to the bid, 5. 5 to the bid, 5 to the bid, 5 to the bid, $2 and go. Dollar and go. Dollar two, dollar to bid and 2, dollar to bid and 2, and 2, and 3, and 3, and 3, and 4, and 4, and 4, and 4, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 6, and 6, 5 to the bid now 6. Was that a bid? 6?
Yep.
5, 6. $5. 138, 238, 238.
You gotta pull that trigger a little quicker, Peter.
You can't be scared all your life, dude.
You can't buy it if you don't bid.
Air hose reel. 50 footer. How many get boys? 100 go. 100 bid and 50. 50 to the bid and 50 to the bid and 50 to the bid. 25 and go. 25 and 30.
Yep.
25 to the bid and 30. 25 to the bid and 30 and 30 and 30 and 30. Harvey's gonna get a deal. 25 to the bid and 30. Now 5. And 40. 40. Now 40. 35 40. 35 to the bid and 40. I got Harvey at 35 40. Now 5. Now 50. Now 50. 45 50. $45. 224. 224.
224. Give him a hand for it.
There you go. You're getting a Craftsman, Trino, Craftsman, bolt cut. Whole lot there. 20 and go. 20 to the bid, 20 to the bid, 20 and 5. 20 to the
You're getting
bid,
all
5.
this,
20 to the bid, now
guys.
5. 20 to the bid, now 5, and 30, and 30, and 30, and 30, and 30, 25 to the bid, 30. You're out. $25. 179. 179. Engine stand there, boys. 20 and go. 20 to the bid, 20 to the bid, 20 to the bid, $10 and go. 10 to the bid, 5. 5 to the bid, 5 to the bid, 5 to the bid, 5 to the bid, $2 and go. 3. Now 4. Now 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 10, 12, 15, then 15, 17, then 17, then 17, 20. Now 20, 17, 20. $17. 197, 197. What do we got here? Reamer set.
Reamer set. This was just a guy said he just had this reconditioned, sent away, and
There
had it
you go.
reconditioned professionally at the factory.
Looks expensive, boys. USA. Chadwick. There you go. Reamer
Yeah,
set.
she's expensive.
Everybody come boys, 500 go, 500 to bid and 500, 500 to bid and 500 to bid and 500 to bid and 500 to bid and 300 go, 300 to bid and 300 to bid and 200 go, 2 to bid, 2 to bid, 2 to the bid, 100 go, 100 to bid and 100 to bid, 50, 50, 60, 70, 70, now 80, 80, 80, 90, 90, 90, 100, 100 to bid and 10, 110, 110, 20, 120, 130, 130, 140, 150, 175, 175, 200, 2 and a quarter. 200, 2 and a quarter, 200 to bid, 2 and a quarter.
$2,500 set right there.
200, 2 and a quarter, 200 to bid, 2 and a quarter.
10%.
200, 2 and a quarter. Yes, you want in? 152, $200. Bench grinder. Everybody get the boys, 15 go, 50 to the bid, 50 to the bid, 20 and go, 20 to the bid, 20 to the bid, $10 to go, 10 to the bid, 10 to the bid, 5. 7, 5 to the bid, 7, 5 to the bid, 7, 10, 10, 10, 12, 10 to the bid, 15, 15, 17, 17, 15, 17, $15. 181, 181.
1 or 2 trays on your machinist tool.
There you go, you got
The rest of the
price
machinist
levels.
tools you're buying how they set. That's how they come in.
Machinist tool.
Yep. 1
There
or
you
2
go.
trays.
Good tray lots there, boys. Have it again now. 1 or 2 times. Have it again now. 100 and go. 100 to bid, now 50. 50 to bid, now 50 to bid. 25 to go. 25, now 30, now 30, now 5. 35, now 40, now 5, now 50, now 5, now 60, now 5, now 70, now 5, now 80, now 5. 80 to the bid and 5. 80 to the bid, now 5, now 90, now 95, now 100, 100, 100, 105, 110, 110, 115, now 120, 115, 120, 115, 20, $115. 174. Backup bidder, you want that one? 15 go, 50 to bid, now 50 to bid, 20 and go, 20 to bid, now 20 to bid, $10 and go, 10 to the bid, 10 to the bid, 5, 5 to the bid, 7, 5 to the bid, 7, now 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 7, 10,
10.
$7, 139. That was the torches.
Yep. What do we got? 1 up to 4 sets?
Yep, 1 or 4
One up to
sets.
4.
This is a set of 4.
That's just 1 up to 3 then.
Oh, we'll just do 1 up to 4.
1 up to
There you
4?
go.
1, 2, 3, or 4 times on jack stands.
There you go, 1 or 4 times. Have it again, boys. Have it again, getting a pair of them. Have it again, boys. Have it again, $10 and go. 10 to the bid, 10 to the bid, 10 to the bid, 5. 5, 7, bottom of the bid, 7, now 10, 12, 10, 12, 10 of the bid, 12, now 15, now 17, now 17, now 17, now 20, now 20, now 20, 17,
Yeah.
17, 20, now 2. 20 of the bid, now 2, 20 of the bid, now 2, now 5, 22, 5, 22 of the bid, now 5, $22. 184, you want the big set? Or you want them all?
Yeah.
Two times. Hey, 1 or 2 sets again. $10 and go. 10, 12, 10 a little bit, 12, 10 a little bit, then 12, 10 a little bit, 12, 10, 12, 15, 17, 15, 17, $15, $232.
Take the big set.
Now you're buying the small set. Okay. $10 and go. 10 to the bid, 10 to the bid, 5. 5 to the brand new boys. 5 to the bid, 5 to the bid, $2 and go.
Yeah.
2, now 3, now 4, now 4, now 5, now 5, now 6, now 7, now 7, now 7, now 7. Now 8. 7, 8. $7. 196. 196. You're getting the gas can. And we'll sell the gas can. Buy that can, $2 and go. 10 to the bid, 10 to the bid, 10 to the bid, $1 and go. $1 to bid, $1 to bid, $1 to bid, 2, $1 to bid, 2, $1 bill.
Right there. 232.
232. Now you're getting the gas pump, liquor pump.
Oh.
You fill your little shot glasses up there, boys. Have it again now. Have it again now, have it again now. 15 go, 50 to the bid, 50 to the bid, 50 to the bid, 50 to the bid, 20 go, 20 to the bid, 20 to the bid, $10 and go, 10 to the bid, 10 to the bid, 5, 5 to the bid, 5 to the bid, $2 and go, 3 to the bid, 3 to the bid. Now 3, 2 to the bid, 3. Now 4. Now 5. Now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 17, 15, 17, 15, 17, $15, 240, 240.
Make some drinks later.
I guarantee it. Hey, you're getting a Lincoln
That little
Porta-Torch.
porch set, yeah.
Nice little set. And you're getting a right along with it. It is a nice set. Yep, that's what you're getting. 20 and go. 20 to the bid, 5, 20 to the bid, 5, now 30, now 9, now 40, now 9, now 50, 50, now 5, 50, now 5, 50 to the bid, 5, and 60, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 100 to bid, 10, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 210, 20, 210, 20, 210, 20, $210, 190, 190.
What do we got in front of you there, Brandon?
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.